Welcome to our channel. Lately, the DJI Flip drone has been making waves, with leaks about its design, key specs, and even potential pricing grabbing everyone's attention. Big thanks to sources like Igor Bogdanov and Jasper Ellens for bringing us the early scoop. But now, the story has taken an even more exciting turn. Tim has shared some exclusive insights with Drone XL, giving us a much clearer picture of what DJI has in store. Let's break it all down for you. A Dutch retailer, Camera Express, has just listed a variety of DJI Flip accessories, providing us with the first official pricing details for this drone's ecosystem. Here's what's on the list. Intelligent Flight Battery, priced at €68.99, around $75.30. This listing hints at the Flip's power setup. Although we're still waiting on full specs, earlier leaks suggest a 3,110 mAh battery capacity, which could deliver approximately 30 minutes of flight time. Parallel Charging Hub, coming in at €44.99, around $49.10. This accessory seems tailored for extended flight sessions, making it a great option for professionals who demand consistent performance. ND Filters, listed at €48.99, around $53.40. The filter pack includes ND16, ND64, and ND256. These filters highlight DJI's commitment to advanced aerial photography, offering tools to manage light exposure for creative professionals. Care Refresh Plans. A 2-year plan is priced at €78.99, $86.20, while the 1-year plan costs €49.99, $50.20. Propellers with Screws, priced at €8.99, $9.80. These are essential for any serious drone enthusiast. Adding these accessories and protection plans together, it's clear that DJI isn't just targeting casual flyers. This drone is being positioned as a serious tool for both hobbyists and professionals. While there's no official release date yet, the appearance of these listings suggests we might see the DJI Flip launch in early 2025. Could this drone shake up the market and set new standards? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video.